Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Chanakya IAS Academy, the Pune branch. And to review this academy, I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.education. That is because blog.education is actually a very trusted website. They've been around for around 11 years and they give honest and unbiased reviews about any IAS coaching center in India. Not only that, they also give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial, Sulekha, so that you don't have to go and visit all of those different websites. Blog.education does that for you. Chanakya IAS Academy actually is located all over India. They have branches all over India. This is a very famous institute. In fact, if you're someone who's pursuing IAS, you would have definitely heard about this academy. However, our education has given the Pune branch of this academy a very poor rating of 3.6 out of 10. And this is an overall rating that our education has given to this institute. Our education has also rated this institute on different parameters like their past year results, infrastructure, batch size, faculty quality, and their fees. Some of the pros of this institute are that their past year results are good, their infrastructure is good, their batch size is good, and their fee structure is good. Cons are that they do not update their study material, they don't provide any good online tests, and they do not and their teachers also are not very popular among the students. According to reviews on Google, Facebook, and our education, one of the students is saying that this institute has good faculty members and their faculties have a very good strategy to guide their students. Also, they stick to the syllabus. Then the test series here are very good as well. They update their portal daily on current affairs and all of those different topics that you can like go through it on their website. This is a very good review overall. Some of the advantages of joining Chanakya IAS Academy are that they are a very renowned institute with very renowned faculty members that aim to provide the best coaching as always. Also, the classrooms here are very well equipped and the students get very advanced coaching. Regular seminars are conducted and highly researched content is only put into the study materials. Many institutes might have a monotonous plan for the students, but this coaching center doesn't work that way. Every student will have their own learning strategy, and the coaching in this institute provides they provide you with a lot of equipments and a lot of facilities so that this whole journey is very easy and smooth for you. These are the benefits, the other benefits of joining Chanakya IAS Academy. Their locality is good, they have a good ranking, then they have good preparation of, they have a good study material, etc. Students have given this academy an overall rating of 3 out of 10. This is very bad. This is a really, really poor rating. All the factors in this academy seem to be very average or below average. You can see here your past year results, your infrastructure, everything has got a very low rating. These are the contact details of this academy. They provide UPSC as well as IAS coaching, and this is their contact number. Their fee structure is also very, very high, 1.5 lakhs for a 1-year course, and you have to pay 45,000 per optional subject. This is very high. Compared to other top institutes, this is very high. And those institutes have a better rating than this institute. They have better past year results like ALS IAS Academy or Paradigm Academy. They have a better, reach, and they have a better rating compared to this institute, and they are much more affordable as well. The batch size of this institute is 70 students in a batch. I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.